you did on the 31st. Yes, so welcome to this call and start telling me what did you do on 31st first? How did the New Year Eve to New Year start for you? Yes, who wants to go first?
So
I
I
didn't
walked
do
for
anything.
21 kilometers and then went for a party.
Yay! पार्टी बोल रहे हो
हाँ तो 21 किलोमीटर चलने के बाद
किसका
तो,
सेलिब्रेशन
21
किया
किलोमीटर
हाँ
चलने के बाद 42 किलोमीटर का पार्टी करा दिया।
बिल्कुल फील ऐसा होना चाहिए 42 किलोमीटर सिलाई करके।
फील होना चाहिए ओके यस हाय निखिल गुड इवनिंग
गुड इवनिंग निखिल।
निखिल म्यूट पे हो चलो चलो बताओ सब जन बताओ द क्वेश्चन इज 31st को क्या किया एंड हाउ इज योर न्यू ईयर स्टार्टेड सो आई थिंक
बॉनफायर, नाइट ट्रेल, भरपूर गाणे इन द जंगल.
हाँ सो दिस
Mama,
स्टोरी होल्ड्स ट्रू फॉर थ्री ऑफ अस
mama.
मम्मा मम्मा So apparently Nikhil, me, Om, and some more friends celebrated New Year at Roots around a bonfire, singing lot of songs. Yeah, we slept late, we woke up early. Yeah. Yes, who wants to share your New Year Eve? शैलेंद्र क्या किया?
Yeah. See, after completing my examination, I went to my mom's place. So there we were all together. So you can understand family time,
Relax
get
time.
together,
है?
yeah, relaxation time.
I
And
know.
then we did some halla hula
Danga.
morning. Yeah, morning because of 5 a.m. anyway. I think that night, 31st, 1:30, 2 o'clock, almost I slept around 2 a.m. and then 5 a.m. we have to attend the call because you were also one of the facilitator.
चलो who slept the earliest on 31st किसने किसने 12 बजे के पहले सोए उषा
मैं
जी
तो
शाह जी हाँ और कौन 12 के पहले कौन सोया बाकी सब 12 के बाद सोए हैं चलो 2 के पहले या 2 बजे के आसपास कौन कौन सोया 1:30 2
मैं
हाँ ओ हम लोगों ने सबसे ज्यादा दंगा किया अभी हम लोग 3:45 4 बजे सोए एंड 4:45 बजे उठ गए एंड हम लोगों का तो we were at that whole in the mountain area right so we had taken our wi-fi and everything and till around 3 plots away everybody could hear my voice in the morning good morning yeah because it's all quiet okay so yes coming back new year has begun a lot of resolutions how many of you were able to actually follow like last year last couple of weeks we did this vision board uh thing how many of you have if not the vision board so if you did the vision board give me your one hand up if you've written your resolutions still give me one hand up how many of you are done with writing your resolutions for this year? Okay. How many of you are yet to write the resolutions for the year? Yet to write में भी कैसे आ गया आपका हाथ?
आधा
Okay.
आधा हो गया।
आधा अच्छा आधा ओके नाउ हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू से कि भाई रेजोल्यूशन मारो गोली कोई फर्क नहीं पैंदा हम हर साल वही रेजोल्यूशन उठा के लिखते हैं
मैं
और
रेजोल्यूशन
कुछ
बनाते नहीं है।
बनाते ही नहीं है बिकॉज यू गॉट बग्ड ऑफ इट वही क्या लिखना ईट हेल्दी
मैं ये सोचती हूँ क्यों एक दिन में इसे लिखना है, जो चलता है चलने दो।
वही चलने दो बराबर है ओके यस हाय वेलकम दीप्ति वेलकम so the thing is now we are asking how many of us have written a resolution vision board resolution whatever have you written
No.
are you going to write
हाँ
are you going to write a resolution
नहीं ठीक है जो है ठीक है अभी ऐसा
अभी क्या लिखना, अब 7 दिन खत्म हो गए, अब
माइंड में सेट
कैसा
है।
लिखेंगे? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील कि
माइंड
अब
में सेट है।
1 जनवरी 27 में रेजोल्यूशन लिखेंगे?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
अच्छा,
मैंने
ठीक है,
पिछले
ठीक
साल एक विजन बोर्ड बनाया था पर अभी तो नहीं बनाया मैंने।
है। ओके,
हम्म
okay,
हम्म
okay. Now, how many of you feel that the resolution that you write, okay, say go back to 2, 3, 4, 5 years, are the resolutions the same? Are they getting just thoda sa stretched, or are you getting, like, are you able to reach your goals? How many of you are able to reach, say, 50% of the goals that you've written? All across the areas. I'm not just asking health and fitness. Om, you're on mute, yeah.
50% हो जाता है,
50% हो जाता है,
100% पे नहीं पहुंच रहा हूँ.
100 पे नहीं. So what are the areas that you feel that you're getting stuck? Like you want to you want to reach your goals. So you've written down your goals. You have with lot of sincerity, you've written down your goals. You want to achieve your goals. But कहीं तो फंस रहे हो. तो 50 से 70, 80, 100 करने के लिए कहाँ अटक रहे हो? Where do you think you guys are getting stuck? Yes,
प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन.
Deepti.
स्टक तो ऐसा
हो
कुछ
रहे हो?
नहीं कह सकती मैं। पर हाँ मैंने अपने मतलब ये 4-5 साल में मैंने अपने आप को बहुत चेंज किया है, मेरी लाइफ में बहुत चेंज आया है। अ,
हम्म.
और गोल ऐसे कोई सेट नहीं करके चली मैं। पर हाँ पर लेकिन अगर कुछ सीखने की चाह रही तो वही मेरा गोल बन गया तो इट्स।
ओके, नाइस नाइस. तो ऐसा कौन है जो रेजोल्यूशन लिखता है 50% पे अटक रहा है? यस, ओमी. क्यों क्यों वेयर आर यू गेटिंग स्टक इज द क्वेश्चन. अनम्यूट करके बोलो यार.
Shall I say?
यस. हाँ, या शैलेंद्र.
Poonam, what I felt is we all, resolve some or the other thing we wanted to achieve. But where we are getting stuck, we are not doing periodic reviews of our targets or our goals or so. And moreover, whatever goal we are setting, milestones also should be there. Let's say this is my goal. Now break down into shorter goals. That's important. Continuous reminders because we get engaged into a regular hectic life and then we forget what all. So
लाइफ टेक्स ओवर.
yeah, that's true. So
हाँ,
if we keep reminding ourselves, keep tracking. So tracking, in other words, is important. If we keep tracking,
करेक्ट.
somehow we can stay connected.
Correct, correct. Perfect, perfect. So measure to manage, and short-term goals are also equally important. Maybe साल भर का 5 साल का गोल अगर लिखा है तो वो बहुत बड़ा हो रहा है. टू थिंक कि ओके 10 kg वेट लॉस, अरे यार आज क्या थोड़ी होगा, जाने दो, आज तो खा लेते हैं. या आज करो, कल करो, कितने दिन करो. इज दैट वेयर वी आर गेटिंग स्टक?
True.
कि वी हैव नॉट मेजर्ड ओनली कि हाउ मच. यस, शाजी, यू वांटेड टू से समथिंग.
नो, आई सेड इट्स बेसिकली प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन ना, मतलब और क्या हो सकता है.
Hmm.
मतलब बहुत, मतलब जस्ट लाइक शैलेंद्र सेड कि पीरियडिकली वी आल्सो नीड टू रिव्यू अवर कि कहाँ पर है, क्या कहाँ पर, वेयर डू वी स्टैंड, एंड वी जनरली
Hmm.
फॉर सम रीजन क्या प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन है और क्या है. तो ठीक है, चलो देखते
Procrastinate.
हैं, बाद में देखते
Hmm.
हैं, हाँ, चलो इतना हो गया, बाद में देखते हैं. दैट इज द
Right,
मेन थिंग.
right. So today we are going to try and look at certain aspects जिससे हाँ हम लोग अपने जो challenges आते हैं. Okay, so all the challenges that we are facing while we want to achieve certain goals, but getting stuck somewhere, we want to look at all of these aspects जिससे हम लोग हमारे ये न्यू ईयर को ऐसे सेट करें कि we are able to stick to our goals. Yeah, maybe take these small steps where we are looking at the short term goals, looking at removing the procrastination and sticking to our consistency. Yeah. Okay, so are we guys ready? Yes. So I'm going to now share my screen. And there we go. And here comes the slideshow. Everybody can see my screen. Yes, this is the
Yeah.
first
Yes.
of the year, and I am super excited because I feel that the most important time, like, of course, you can start your health journey wherever, whenever, but I feel that अपने अंदर का जो दिमाग का जो मोटिवेशन होता है ना, वो एकदम एक्सट्रीम हाई पे होता है ऑन द 1st of January और ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द ईयर, राइट? And that's why the best time to actually grab your whole energy, channelize it into such a way that you are able to get the results that you want to. Okay. So, what we are going to do is that we are going to try and work on our goals. Okay. Simply because if we put up systems, like what Shailendra mentioned, it is nothing else but setting up system. Like, we want consistency, we set up goals, but unless and until we set up a system to manage it, stick to it, get a plan, we don't know what we are going to do, right? And that is why we want to ensure that the beginning of the year is going to be so charged that we get into this whole ride of staying fit every single day. So, one day at a time, but every single day we stay fit. Yes. So, with this, now tell me, what are the goals? Yeah. I'm going to stop sharing screen. I want to quickly listen to the goals. Quickly tell me your top three, two, three, one goal, whatever comes to your mind. What is the top goal that you want to achieve? Any aspect of the year, okay?
Lose 5
Yes.
kilos.
Lose 5 kgs, okay?
Yeah, by the end of the year, lose at least 7.
7
7.
kgs. Yes. 1 year goal, bolo. Huh, yes.
For me, fixing my, of course, losing weight and all such thing, I'm not worried about because I know I'm associated with MFS. Now this year will be a hit year for me. But
Yes.
major thing which I wanted to focus is setting the routine for health.
Hmm.
Some routine, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes or 1 hour, but some
Hmm.
definite routine should be there.
Yeah. Start small, but have something very solid. Yes. Perfect. So, we all want to have a certain kind of a discipline. We either want to lose weight, become stronger, or, learn something new. Okay. We want to do something that is going to excite us. Okay. And yes, that is going to be the way of life. If you're looking forward to something, it's like that picnic. How many of you remember school picnic or the family picnic days? Nobody has to wake you up, right? Nobody has to wake you up. Nobody has to do anything. We are all ready and up. So that is something that we look forward to, right? Now, if in every single year we have something to look forward to, we are going to be charged and we'll certainly uh, get up to it, come show up for it, right? So here we are going to come back to sharing the screen and we're going to share how this whole thing is going to work for us. Okay. So if we have set up right, as in the clear, smart goal, okay, there is nothing in the world that it is going to stop us from achieving it. Okay. It's like हमने जो सारे एस्पेक्ट्स सीखे हैं साइंटिफिकली, वी स्टडीड हाउ द कैलोरी गोज इन, हाउ द कैलोरी गोज आउट, द नंबर्स, everything, there is a system, there is everything that is going to work because these are laws of nature, and health for us is going to follow these law. It is just that, like we say, if you eat better, your body is going to respond. If we sleep better, your body is going to, the recovery is going to be better. How do we reduce stress? We've learned certain aspects about it. If we keep doing a certain thing over and over and over and over again, till we get not just bored out of it, but it becomes the routine, okay? We do it without even thinking. तब जाके हमें उसके असर दिखाई देते हैं, राइट? नाउ how many of us also feel that when we have set up certain goals, we are scared the moment we say ki okay, I want to lose 10 kgs, I want to lose 20 kgs, maybe in 1 year, maybe in 2 year. But the moment we've written down those goals, we are already scared कि यार ये होगा क्या मुझसे? Or do we feel that like last year, next year we will just add a number of kgs कि ओके पहले सिर्फ 5 किलो लूज करना था, फिर 7 पे आया, फिर 10 पे आया, ओके? या पहले हमें we wanted to do certain thing. Are we getting scared? Anybody of us getting scared saying कि okay, the goal that I have set is in itself so big that I don't know if I'll be able to do it or no? Nobody there, na? Okay, cool. So we are sure that the goals that you've set is going to be super achievable. The only thing is that we need to break it down and stay consistent, right? So, sorry, I need to share, not just do alt tab. Yeah. So now when we are looking at doing all of this course, okay, we just need to stick to it. We just need to stick to it. That's about it, right? So this last line over here is the key. Okay, wait 1 second. If you haven't read it, yeah, this is the only key that we just stick around enough to be able to see those results. Yeah. And yes, we all are going to push each other to see that we all keep sticking to our goals. And that's one reason why we want all of us to post our workouts, goals at the beginning of the year, at every single day. Yeah. So when we're talking about consistency, how many of us say that consistency is the word? Yeah. That we want to stick to. Yeah. Yes. So how many of you are actually looking for that motivation before we stay consistent? कि हाँ वो एक दिन आएगा, right? But the fact is that whether we feel like doing a certain thing or not, we should just do it. Like if you have decided to do a certain thing, we want to always just complete that action no matter how we feel. How many of us actually show up every single day, no matter whether it is raining, whether the tabiat is kharab, whether knees are paining, whether head is paining? Yeah, do we really come with certain excuses? Okay. Yes, Meghna has something to share. Yes, Meghnadish,
No,
go
no,
ahead.
you asked now how many of them come daily. So I was raising my hand that I come daily.
Yes, yes, climate excuses. So, how many of us feel that in the past few years, wherever we feel that we have achieved half or less half or whatever, lesser than what we expected the goals to be? What were the reasons? Where did we get stuck? Did we procrastinate? Did we give excuses? Did we do some action? Did we like take up an action which was out of our control? Like did we blame something? कि okay, it is raining outside, तो जाने तो आज मेरा workout cancel है. How many of you found a solution to that or to any of your problems? What were the problems? Tell me. पढ़ाई, काम, घर, बच्चे, मौसम, तबीयत. Yes, yes,
So
yes,
this year
go ahead.
for the Mumbai people, it was, long rains. I mean, really 6 months of rains was an excuse
Pune also
actually.
same now. Yeah.
I mean, it was a long, long, long rainy season this time.
I think everywhere. Ask Lavanya. Kya Lavanya? How much rains did you get there? Ask Usha ji.
So that was one of the excuses to not to go out.
Yes. And see, we have Nivedita who's still going out for a walk in spite of the chilly weather out there.
Yes. Yeah, these are the walks. Evening walks I almost never miss. But जैसे आप कह रहे हो I think I agree with Shadji. It is procrastination, but we have a reason for procrastination also. Actually,
Mhm.
I think we do not prioritize our health, तो उसके लिए we just weave stories around it. सिर्फ यही
Yes.
होता है. If we start prioritizing, there is nothing which can stop us. चाहे वो बारिश हो, चाहे
What
वो
you
मौसम हो,
said
कुछ
it.
भी हो.
You said it. You said
Yeah.
it. So the thing is that if I keep telling you ना कि आप ऐसे reasons मत दो, ये क्या
Yeah.
है, you will find a solution, then there is no point, because that's just like telling you. But if you tell me that we find reasons and
Yes.
we can find solutions also,
Yeah, in fact, solutions are always there. We just don't want to look at the solution.
we
That
don't
is the
look at
problem.
the
That is the problem.
Yes, absolutely. And I'm sure, see, all of us over here, none of us are looking at a super athlete figure. None of us are looking at a cricketer, boxer, Wimbledon player, national sports. Anybody? No, nobody, right? What are we aiming at? We are aiming at a very basic life. Yes, Usha ji.
That is my biggest excuse, that I am not going to compete for a Miss India, Mrs. India.
ना आपके लिए कंडीशंस अलग रहने चाहिए हाँ उषा जी फॉर यू द rules are separate for you should be still aiming for something on that
I just want to stay mobile and healthy, and that's all.
yeah exactly but we still want to get to the best of what we can achieve right so physically if it is possible for me to do 100 squats I should try it but if I don't give it a try I will never know if I capacity is there or no right and of course likewise we want to achieve to the bestest of our shape whether it is mentally physically right so without giving excuses, if we are able to actually work on the possibilities. So, look at the possibilities instead of the problems. I'm sure we all will find some possibilities, some way out. Like Nivedita said, koi aur direction mein dekho, you will find a way out. Okay. Yeah. So, we are going to look at all of this and what we want to say is that how do we do? How does a person, okay, now think of an athlete, okay? If we want to think of somebody like that, let's think of an athlete who does it every single day. Okay, I'm sure if you really go to see how Sachin Tendulkar used to be, okay, in spite of 101 fever, he will say, अच्छा मैं आज सिर्फ 3 घंटा खेल के आता हूँ क्यों आज मुझे बुखार है तो मैं 6 घंटा नहीं खेलूंगा आई नॉट प्ले फॉर 6 hours आई नॉट प्रैक्टिस फॉर 6 hours आई जस्ट डू इट फॉर 3 hours that's the minimum that they give the dedication so if we give in even 1/3 of such dedication and yes I am not saying that y'all go ahead while you have fever or you have some ailment or some problem but whenever it is you are fit and fine you should not miss a chance of doing something yeah so what we're going to do is we are going to uh we're not going to look at all of these results, okay? Because we keep looking at Instagram and social media where everything probably looks hyped and maybe sometime we lose hope because of that. Ki, okay, direct before, direct after. And look at that. But in between, there are 100 struggles, right? Those are the struggles that we are probably in that phase. Yeah. Including me. Yeah. Even I need to reach somewhere, probably do a full marathon, probably go to an half Ironman, hundreds of wishes that, it will never get end. You need always want to better yourself. Now, if I also keep looking at somebody else, we will never achieve because my journey vis-a-vis somebody else's journey will always be different, right? How many of you feel that looking at other people's journey motivates or demotivates?
Motivates.
Definitely
Motivates.
motivates.
कौन सा
Motivates.
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर
both
सकते हो
Sorry, Shailendra, you said something. Rajanji is
I
saying something.
said both. It motivates
Both,
also and
both.
demotivates
हाँ,
also.
तो मैं बोलूंगी कि yes, what we can do is take the right points. Yeah, get inspired. It is good to get inspired, but probably don't expect exact Xerox copy results for yourself. Okay, your journey is going to be different than everybody else's journey. So, what are we going to do today? We are going to try and see some more motivation for ourselves. Are you guys ready for that? Yeah, give me a thumbs up for it. Yeah, if you guys are ready to see the motivation, we are going to see some celebrity transformations. Okay, we have seen, how many of us know celebrity transformation? Which all celebrity transformations have you seen? Why we celebrity? Because everybody knows them. Yeah. Yes, yes, go ahead. Tell me. Unmute and yes, Usha ji.
Rekha.
There are few celebrities here also. Hasnain ji hai,
Acha, okay.
Lavanya hai.
Hasnain bhai, Lavanya,
There he comes.
Lavanya,
Lavanya
all.
ne naam liya and there he is. Yes, Hasnain, welcome, welcome. You are the celebrity here.
Hi.
Hi, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes. So, yes, we
Hi.
have celebrities amongst us, and we are going to talk about some filmy celebrities. So, Usha ji, which celebrity were you talking about? Rekha?
Rekha. I admire her.
Hmm. Okay. And what is the transformation that she's gone through?
Oh my God. I mean, the old, earlier version, if you see, she's completely different. And from, I don't know how many, last 40 years, she's almost the same.
Yeah,
Even in
so
70, she looks like that.
yeah, Rekha, Hema Malini. So maintaining themselves is also a big challenge, which at that age they have still maintained, whether it is through their dance or through their workouts or whatever other things that they keep doing. But they have ensured that they haven't gone, they have still stayed stronger. They haven't gone weak, right?
But there
Yes.
are others also, I have seen, I mean, the transformation in the other way. Good
Yeah.
dancers. Recently, I was talking to my daughter also about another one. I mean, she's a very good dancer, Bharatanatyam dancer in Kerala, but she also has, I recently see she has put on so much of weight. She still dances, but then it's age is picking up on her.
We are not going
Yes.
to, we should not even discuss about them.
Yeah, those other
Yeah,
transformations
Lavanya, you are correct.
later. Yeah, we don't want any discouragement at the beginning of the year. Yes, who are the other film personalities, celebrities that you guys know of? Yeah, only one person is telling. Batao?
Shilpa Shetty.
Shilpa Shetty, strong with her yoga, she says, but she actually does weight training. Yes.
And there's a Malaika Arora.
Adnan.
Yes,
Who?
sorry, Sharon, I missed. What did you say?
Adnan Sami.
Adnan Sami. Yes, my goodness, more than 100 kgs he's lost. So
Even
उसके अंदर
underwent
से
surgery.
2 इंसान और निकाल दिए उसने. Sorry, I missed some more. Yes, Dipti, you were saying something.
ऐसे तो बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज हैं जिन्होंने बहुत सारा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया है, पर मुझे
Yes.
मतलब मैंने जो विजन किया था अपने लिए तो वो मैंने शिल्पा शेट्टी का किया था।
शिल्पा शेट्टी का किया था. ओके, चलो अपने अपने फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटीज बताओ और जिसने नहीं बताया है. यस हसनैन.
Amitabh Bachchan
Farhan.
keeps himself fit.
अमिताभ बच्चन. ओके. शाद जी ने क्या बताया?
फरहान अख्तर.
फरहान अख्तर. यस. किसने किसने देखा है भाग मिखा? यस. ओके, चलो तो आज हम लोग 4 सेलिब्रिटीज लेके आए हैं जिसके ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस को हम लोग थोड़ा सा देखेंगे. ओके, एंड देयर वी गो. एनी गेसेस ऑन हु इज द फर्स्ट सेलिब्रिटी? Okay, no problem. I'm going to share this. Okay, I think I'm going to share the screen now. So here comes our first celebrity. Okay, now we all have seen the transformation that he's gone through. How many of us have seen the transformation of Hrithik Roshan?
He was always like this.
Ha, no. Okay. So when he started his career with Kaho Na Pyare, I think, okay, it is said that he took 6 months after his college or whatever it was, and he got into real gymming and everything and got muscular. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी तो छोड़ दो, वो उसके पास भगवान से दिया हुआ है, राइट? वो कोई नहीं ले सकता, बट he had certain injuries, certain problems, everything, and this is, basically his diet plan and what he did and how. Okay, now what we are going to do is, after certain time frame, no, he had issues with all of this health and all, and we are going to actually see a short video. How many of you are ready to see a short video to see before the movie? Which one? Before one of his most hit movie, he did a transformation.
Krish.
Krish.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to talk to you about the movie called War. How many of you have heard of the movie War? War 1, हाँ, War 1, अभी वाला नहीं, अभी वाले के लिए मुझे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पता नहीं है. Okay, so I'm going to show you a short clip. I have shared the sound. Quickly tell me once I share if you can hear him or not. It's a shorts वाला thing. There is a long video of 12 minutes. You can watch that also. उसमें उसने पूरा डिटेल दिया है कि वो day 1 पे कैसे दिखता है. And if you have seen, how many of you have seen the movie War? First वाला, War 1. हाँ, तो वहां से, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. War 1, 4 people out of 12. Okay, चलो. Homework, movie देखो, War. ओके, मूवी नहीं देखा तो ये 12 मिनट का इसका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जरूर देखो, ठीक है? दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन एक्चुअली वॉचिंग द मूवी. श्रावण इज लाइक, यहाँ पे कुछ भी होमवर्क मिल सकता है. Okay, so if you guys can see my screen now, you can see the YouTube background. Yeah, यहाँ पे जो ऊपर में वीडियो है ना, ये कुछ 12 मिनट का. Okay, Kabir and Beyond. I'll share the link if you want. You can see this. This is the one which is the detailed version of what we are going to see now. Okay, we're going to see a short version. You can hear?
Just one.
How fat he is right now, okay? Fat. And see the change now. Yes. Wait, let me just stop this. Yeah, everybody could see the changes. So he went for a actor, okay, for any actor or actress, it is important for them to be in a fat range which is in as good as for guys 10 to 12% is maximum of fat that they can carry because of the kind of role, especially for this movie that he was playing. Even anything beyond 15% is excess. Okay, so here he did a lot of transformation with pure eating. Okay, now we're going to look at his diet. Okay, we'll come back to seeing his diet. How many of you want to know what did he eat? Yeah, so we need not really apply the same thing, but you can really see that they also eat real simple clean food. Okay, and that's how they get to where they are. So consistency over a long duration of time. Of course, they have support, they will have trainer, they will have people who do their whole diet and give them the food, cook the food for them, everything. Okay. But still, eating it every single day without getting bored of it is more or less this is what he would eat: eggs, 6 egg whites, and an avocado. So you get your protein and you get your good fats. You get breakfast mein. Now this is early morning, which is like a pre-workout, okay? Then you have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which means so oats, quinoa, sweet potato. All three things are going to give you lot of carbs, okay? And quinoa is going to give you the protein that you need. Then, and of course, sweet potato will give you the fiber. Okay. Then your lunch, his lunch was 70% of lunch, protein in the lunch. Okay. Which will come out of whatever sources that he ate. Okay. Considering that he's eating fish, he ate veg, non-veg, everything. Now we will also see certain celebrities which were eating only pure veg. Some were eating only pure non-veg. Okay. So, ये सारे चीजें, they are not the barriers. Okay. Now, although he was, fond of desserts, okay, I'm sure you can read that he may not have actually eaten all of these desserts as such. And what is most important that he didn't eat any kind of roti to ensure that he got his carbs low. Okay, because lot of us have issues with gluten. Now, whatever that was, it was his way of getting to the most fit space. Yeah. The next one is Ram Kapoor. Okay. A lot of us, how many of have seen this person with certain serials, movies? Yeah. How many of you know his journey? Yeah. Some of us do know about his journey. Yes. So, yes, in the last 1.5 years, I think he has done a lot of workouts, ensuring that he's doing only 2 meals a day. Okay. And okay, we're going to go. So, you can see a drastic change over here from his initial phase to what he's currently into. Right? All of us can see the change. What was he eating? He was just ensuring that he stuck to 2 meals a day and no late evening dinner. So dinner is before 6:30, and of course a lot of dedication to workouts. Okay. How many of us have seen Ram Kapoor and know some story, some background, some mirch masala around him? Yes?
No, I've seen his transformation, but no Mirch Masala stories.
No mirch masala.
Same here. I don't know.
How many of you heard the word Ozempic? Huh? In relation with this guy.
Ozempic.
But he's saying he didn't take any Ozempic. I don't know it's true or no.
So that is a conspiracy. We are not here to prove that he did or not. But yes, along with his transformation, there are a lot of afwai that he was using Ozempic. So I'm not saying anything. He may have, may not have. But what is important is that he stuck to his workouts, diet, and has got this results. Okay. I have also heard a lot of videos where even he claims that he's not taken any Ozempic. So for people who don't know what is Ozempic, Ozempic is a injection or a medicine which is given for people who suffer from a particular type of diabetes. Okay, so that is to control your blood sugar levels and all of that. However, it has properties which is going to make you feel less hungry. Yeah, type 2 diabetes. And that is why a lot of people, celebrities, take these injections so that they feel less hungry. And of course, because if you feel less hungry, you have a lesser appetite, you eat lesser calories, burn more calories, calorie in, calorie out calculation works. It is difficult. Okay. I have heard the formula or how you go through it. One, it is difficult. Second, it is expensive. Third, there are a lot of side effects. So given all of these features, Ozempic is something that I would say only people who have issues with their health should go for it. Okay. And none of us should think of any such thing like Ozempic. Okay. So, anyways, so that was simply to get you aware about the fact that ऐसे चीजें होती है. सोचो भी मत उसके बारे में. Okay. Getting it the tough way is the most important way. Yeah. It may take longer. The journey with Ozempic is far quicker as what I have seen, heard, and seen case histories as such. Okay, so with those studies, but we are not going to go there. We are going to go to our next case, and who is none other than our favorite Kareena Kapoor. Okay, how many of you know about her weight loss journey? पहले तो
नेक्स्ट
सोचो
सारा अली खान आएगा.
क्या क्या
नेक्स्ट इज गोना बी सारा अली खान.
यार मुझे तो वो पसंद है बहुत बंदी. And yeah, she has got a lot of good transformation. So yes, for
Yeah.
Kareena Kapoor, how many of you feel when was she fat? When did she put on weight? ऐसा किसी को हुआ क्या? हाँ,
No,
she was
she
fat.
was
Did you?
in her in
She
her
was
initial
fat.
years.
हाँ, okay. So yes, after I think there was of course initial she was thin, then she got married, she got children, and she put on with her normal post-pregnancy weight like all females have. Yes, Shaji, what is the smile saying?
I'll let you. I just got some message.
अच्छा ठीक तो वो कुछ और ही ट्रैक पे जा रहे ओके सो once she figured out that all of this weight needs to be off before her next movie she did a lot of she has been doing yoga for many years but she did a lot of gym and ensured that her eating habits were structured sorted and regular yes and yes, as we see all of this, no crash diet is there for her as well. And this is her routine. Okay. How many of us feel that यार इन लोगों के routine तो बहुत simple है. Okay, so the idea is not to say कि यार they are going to eat all fancy foods. Yeah, there will be avocado somewhere, there will be certain things. But if you see, all of these foods that they eat are normally available for us as well, right? We also eat roti, dal, chawal, sabzi, fruits, cheese toast, khichdi, handful of dry fruits, right? This is all that even we are doing. We are not doing anything other than this, yeah? How many of you us feel that the food that we just saw for these three celebrities were so close to ours? Yeah? ऐसे ही खाते यार इंसानों के जैसे ही खाते नहीं it is just there huh it is not so ऐसे कि extremely some fancy names and something that we can't even pronounce ऐसे भी कुछ नहीं खा रहे right they are just eating normal food but what are they doing differently okay we need to read and understand that for this person okay now for Kareena Kapoor no extreme restrictions mindful eating regular meals how many of us are able to stick to such basic principles no, we don't stick to such things. We overeat, we don't eat at time. We do such extreme restrictions for ourselves कि we will give it up in 5 days. ठीक है? So we need to understand that the thing that we are trying to do over here with one quick last personality coming in is that okay now this was a reverse game that she played yeah she put on weight for the movie and she lost it right? How many of us know this journey of Bhumi Pednekar? Yeah? She put on movie. What was that? मोह मोह के धागे वाली picture, है ना?
दम लगा के हईशा.
दम लगा के हईशा. Yes, bang on. Yeah. So she in fact was very much in shape, but because the role desired that she has to be of a certain body type, she put on weight. And she lost it all. How many kgs did she lose? Yeah, मेघना दी बोलो तो 40 किलो बढ़ाया था ना उन्होंने 30 to
Yes,
40
yes.
kg she put on and she lost it. And of course, after she lost all of this weight, she was definitely fairly back to shape, even better than before, right? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So with this, we are going to see that what is the diet she followed. Okay? Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. Soaked almonds, fresh fruits, porridge, toast, homemade roti, multi-grain loaf, the jawar bajra loaves, dal, protein. Snacks me again, almond, walnut, and a large portion of salads and uh, seasonal fruits, nuts. Again, the same key principles here. Yeah? Okay. So, all in all, with all of this celebrity show that I did today, we are trying to say that why did we use celebrities? Simply because everybody knows about them. Yes, we have some small celebrities here also, like Hasnain and Lavanya, who already we've discussed. And yes, it is within us also we see that these results are achievable. Okay, if we set your mind on it, if we don't procrastinate, if we do those right things, if we find the possibilities rather than the problems, we are going to do it. Yeah, if we are able to measure what we are doing, we will be able to manage. Yeah. Now, quickly, I want to wrap up this call
Before
with
that,
yes.
पहले माफी मांगो.
Okay, sorry. Yes. Okay, बोलो क्या हुआ?
Why did you say we have small celebrities over here?
अरे मतलब not known to the world, यार.
नहीं 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 अपने को we are the world over here. For us, there are no small, there is no big. They are
Good
big
one,
for
good one.
us.
Thank you so much, Shaji. Lavanya, Hasnain, come to the limelight, guys. आप लोगों
अरे
की
क्या
पूरी
हमने क्या
चर्चा हो
कर
रही
दिया है?
है.
कुछ कर नहीं है हम लोगों ने कुछ खास.
मॉनिटर जी ने हम मेरे को ही झाप दिया, बोले क्या है ये.
अरे हम लोगों ने क्या, मैंने तो कुछ खास किया ही नहीं है, नॉर्मल है.
हाँ ठीक है सब सेलिब्रिटी ऐसे ही बोलते हैं.
सब सेलिब्रिटी भाई देख लो, ऑटोग्राफ ले लो, सब सेलिब्रिटी ऐसे ही
ये तो
बोलते
उनकी
हैं.
मॉडेस्टी है,
आई स्वेयर.
पहले
इसीलिए
नहीं किया,
सेलिब्रिटी
अभी
होते
कर रहे
हैं.
हैं.
You yet to reach the state, Shad sir. Still not yet achieved.
अब बस ये भी बोलते हैं.
ये
अभी तो
भी
कहाँ
सही
है,
बोलते
अभी
हैं.
तो लोग तो बोलते हैं लेकिन हमें तो अभी और आगे जाना है.
तो चलो, जिनको जिनको आगे जाना है उनके लिए this is the thing that we want to do. Okay, what are we going to do is we want to ensure you guys can see my screen, right? I shared it, right? Yeah, okay. हाँ, तो ये देखो हमें क्या करना है. We just want to stay consistent. How are we going to do it? You set your rules and forget about it, which means don't take decision on every single day. क्या है decision? ओके, आज मैं वर्कआउट करूं या नहीं, आज मैं वॉक पे जाऊं या नहीं, आज मैं अच्छा खाना खाऊं या नहीं. These are not the questions to be answered. You set your rules and forget them, which means follow it day in day out. Forget मतलब भूल मत जाओ. Forget मतलब बिना सोचे करो. ओके, दैट्स वे. उषा जी लाइक इसको रात को 10 बजे जोक सूझ रहा है, मुझे नींद आ रही है, बंद करो भी, जल्दी खत्म करो. या ओके, यस. सो उसको सोचो. ओके, करते जाओ. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट. ओके, नाउ आई वांट यू टू think of that one person. Okay, quick activity. Okay, all of you pay attention and come here. Okay, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Okay, and we want to do a quick activity. If everybody can come on camera, nothing like it. Yes. Okay, so the activity is that in your life, think of one or maybe two people, okay, in your family, friend circle, or anybody who you know of, okay, your acquaintance that you know of, who has a certain kind of pattern which is like वो कभी भी नहीं चूकते हैं. They do it every single time. Okay, what is that one pattern? What is that one habit? And who is that person? Quickly share, quickly share. I want all 10 of us to share, 11 of us to share.
My father.
Yes, and the habit is
Habit is doing daily yoga.
daily yoga. Okay,
हाँ
okay, yes.
और उनके मतलब डॉक्टर ने उनके घुटनों के लिए ऑपरेशन का बोल दिया था पर लेकिन वो बिना ऑपरेशन के अपने घुटने सिर्फ योगा से चला रहे हैं.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Who else? Who else? Go ahead. कोई
Same
भी
here,
habit हो,
father.
हाँ? Sorry.
My dad,
हाँ, okay.
slow chewing
Slow
chewing
chewing.
food,
And he
no
will
matter
never,
what.
no matter
हाँ,
what, कहीं पे भी रहो, कितनी भी खाई हो.
शादी में भी जाओ, कहीं भी जाओ, he will धीरे धीरे चबा के ही he will eat.
बीवी कितनी भी चिल्ला हो, he will eat at the same speed.
मैं धीरे ही खाऊंगा.
ये धीरे
अंकल जी सुन रहे हैं बाजू के रूम से.
No, but seriously, sometimes even I feel कि कैसे कर सकते हैं ये इतना रोज रोज सुबह लंच डिनर एवरीथिंग
ऐसे ही.
चबा के वो बोलते थे ना 32 वेळा चावायचा. So same.
He does it. Perfect, perfect. Yes. Hey, Lavanya, you have messaged something. I can't follow that. You have to explain. Unmute and explain.
My parents,
Ha. What is the
yeah,
habit?
day in, day out, they stick to their daily routine, no matter
No,
whatever.
one habit. One specific habit.
Early mornings, finishing up the work and switching on the TV. That's it.
Okay. Yes. Chalo, jaldi. I have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yes, Nikhil. Nikhil, unmute.
My father, he will never miss his puja every day and Pothi Vachan.
हाँ, every day. राम नाम
Yes.
करना है तो करना है. Yes.
I think it's my mom.
हाँ.
I'm really impressed. My father, he has got advanced Alzheimer's. काफी सालों से he's, I will say, not in a vegetative state, but yes, I have seen the slow decline. But my mom, she sticks to her routine. Morning में yoga करना है, meditation करना है, थोड़ा walk करना है, and the biggest thing is that she is always calm.
Wow.
Yes.
Somehow they have all of this patience, no? Filled into them.
Yes, so I also want to be like her. कभी लगता है यार इतना सारा काम है सुबह से शाम तक. She is just occupied with my dad, but वो पूरा टाइम अपना जो है वो कुछ चीजें जो है definitely मतलब उनको करना ही करना है. She will do it no matter what. वो करेंगी.
Lovely.
Yes, and with a smile on her face.
Yeah.
I've never seen her complain.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Hasnain.
My father wakes up at 4 every day.
Wow.
He wakes up, he does his
And
work.
this has been a habit for like years and years and years.
Many years.
Amazing.
Every he wakes up at 4.
One of my friends, I always find him in excellent tip-top clothes and overall presentation.
Appearance.
Never once have I seen him unshaved, ऐसा नींद से उठ के आया है, गंदे कपड़े, एक बार भी नहीं. घर पे भी जाओ ना, ironed clothes always.
क्या बात है.
Never once have I seen him कि थोड़ा सा घर के कपड़े हैं. Nothing.
Yes. Any last quick share?
I will say my sister-in-law.
Okay.
My brother, second brother's wife.
हाँ.
कुछ भी हो जाए, she will complete all her chores, like like one day if we go out or something, we will avoid washing the clothes or cleaning some
जाने दो,
place,
हाँ.
and सब कुछ
Nothing
खत्म
doing.
करके ही सोएगा. I don't know.
Ah.
Everything. She
Discipline.
will wash her daily clothes. If we go, she will wash even my clothes. She'll feed you. She'll cook. She'll clean.
Everything did.
Everything she'll finish. Generally, she'll sleep.
Lovely.
Role model.
Yes. So over here, what are we seeing is that all of us know of at least one person who has a particular habit that they are so particular about, so particular about. Okay. Now, think of that one habit that you want to ingrain into yourself such that it is inseparable. Okay. Like people know you for it. Okay. Whether it is you doing your walks daily, you eating clean food, you going for gym every day, you going for cycling every day, no matter whether it is raining. Oh, I think you also know of this one friend of yours who goes, uncle ना कोई तो वो walk को जाते हैं, no matter कितनी भी बारिश होने दो, he will wear a jacket, he will carry an umbrella and go for a walk, right? And
20 years,
yeah.
not a single day has he missed a walk.
20 years. Imagine that. And we start hoping for results in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. नहीं यार कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, छोड़ो जाने दो, चलो जाने दो, आज एक skip करते हैं. Okay, so we all know that we need to follow this for a long duration of time, because somewhere, if you remember, going back quick, I'm going to extend the call for the next 5-7 minutes. Okay, I have to do 2-3 announcements and I don't know how to wrap up. Okay, quickly still. Okay, so the first thing is that we all know that losing 1 kg of fat is 7,700 calories. If you do a calorie deficit of 500 calories daily, still you will take around 10 to 15 days with consistency to lose 1 kg of fat. Okay, I'm talking about fat and not water loss. Okay, so if you're going to want to continue with a fat loss journey for a longer duration of time, you cannot be doing a clean diet through the day and party on the night at night, or have a clean diet through the week and party on weekends. Okay, we have to sustain it every single day till we achieve those 20 years time. Okay, and reach our results basically. Yeah. So this is the first thing. So we're going to close the discussion for this call. Yeah, and that is what over here it here wants to say, that with this slide, it is going to take a long time to see a final identity shift or a lifestyle change. Okay, it is not going to be easy, but if we keep doing it, it is surely going to be there. Yeah. So we are going to see it no matter what. If you are taking the right steps, there is no wrong time to do it. Yeah. So with this, let's skip this few things over here. Okay, I am okay to not see all of this. Yeah, what I'm going to share now next is I'm going to start a small habit tracker kind of a thing, or a poll every single day. Okay, starting tomorrow. Okay, what we're going to start is build one habit every day. So the first 1 week, we are going to do only steps. Okay, very minimum basic steps, and we will try and keep building one habit at a time. Okay, and remember, while we are doing these small habits as tracking on the elites, I want all of you to vote on it, keep posting your workouts and everything. Next is that if you really want to have sustained weight loss for your whole, fat loss journey, wherever we are at, okay, remember that while we are doing our workouts, which are going to give us the strength and the muscle, also flexibility, but it is eventually your kitchen or your food which is going to give you the maximum space of doing calorie burnout. Okay, and yes, with this, we want to announce the next salad workshop. Somebody did guess, right? So yes, 17th of January, we are going to have a salad workshop. We will declare the timelines and everything. It is going to be free for all the elites. So please get the list of things that we want to get, and you can call your friends, for which we will share a link for them. Yeah, it will be 500 rupees for non-elites. Okay. And yes, this is now time for celebration. Okay. Now, what are we going to celebrate? Any guesses? Quick guesses. Last 3 minutes. We
New
are going
Year.
we are going to celebrate the New Year. झालं ग, झालं. Okay, we are going to
Achievement.
celebrate the walks for last year. Okay, we are meeting
Yeah,
after that call. So this is the first certificate for Lavanya. She has done the 5 kilometers walk. Yes,
Ah,
and we have Meghna for completing her 10-kilometer walk. Then we have Saranya, the birthday girl. She has completed also 10-kilometer walk. And last but not the least, Shailendra. Shailendra is right here. Shailendra, how do you feel for doing 10? Without any practice, after sitting for long number of hours, I know all of that. Yes.
In the beginning, I was really cursing myself. Why did I take up this challenge? But after completing, I was so happy. Oh my God. Though it was a very, very short goal in front of all of you, where, big marathon
नहीं नहीं
people
मत
like
compare
Hasnain,
करो. You just
you.
walk through your journey, girl.
Yeah,
Yes.
but still, I still felt happy and I was feeling confident and I was feeling proud, literally feeling proud that I'm into the company of the right people. And because of all of you people, I'm able to do this. So this was the only feeling which I was getting. And thanks, thanks, thanks a lot.
Lovely.
Very
Yes,
good, very good.
Meghnadi, what were your celebration like? 10-kilometer walk. Meghnadi disappeared. Yes, Meghnadi, aa jao. You're on the call, on stage. Tell me, how do you feel after completing 10 kilometers?
Hmm. I walked almost after say 9 months for 10
After
kilometers.
after our marathon.
After our
After
marathon.
9th February, you went on in December last week.
Yeah.
Yes.
So initially I thought कि नहीं होगा क्योंकि practice ही नहीं. I didn't practice at all for the 3 months.
Yeah. Correct.
So I was bit dicey कि होगा कि नहीं. But yes, it happened. And I was actually planning for 15 kilometer. But the thing is that ना हमारे यहाँ बहुत रोड का काम चल रहा है. So I was also getting scared कि कहीं गिर विर गई तो ये भी हो जाएगा.
Correct.
It is
So
very
good.
bad. It's very bad here.
So
The
doing it
redevelopment is also
safe.
going on. The road digging is also going on. So it becomes difficult to walk. But yes,
You enjoyed
I'm happy. Yeah.
completing 10. And yes,
Hmm.
look forward to more of these. Yes. Chalo, last now coming to Hasnan for doing not just once, but I think he did it more than 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Hasnan, कितने बार किया? 28,
अरे
I think,
बहुत
is his highest.
3-4 बार कर लिया.
3-4 बार
क्या
कर
बात
लिया
है.
ना? Yes.
Very good.
So beautiful. And Nivedita ji, she's back. Are you here, Nivedita ji?
Yes, I'm here, very much here.
Yes. Tell me, how do you feel for completing 21-kilometer walk?
I'm feeling very proud. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. Yes, it gave me back my confidence, which I had lost. So yes, as I told you that day also, it was not only the applause from you, it was applause from myself also.
Yes.
Very good.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Nice.
बढ़िया.
It
हाँ.
is अपने लिए ही बहुत मोटिवेशन है. And seeing all of the people of the all of the community making their milestone, it is definitely very great.
Lovely. Yes.
Yes.
And there we have. Om, how do you feel on completing 21?
Feels very nice. I like the line written down there. Every step in a virtual marathon is a personal promise kept. Because
Yes.
कोई पाबंदी नहीं थी, कोई मॉनिटर नहीं कर रहा था, कोई पुश नहीं कर रहा था, कोई पनिशमेंट नहीं दे रहा था, बट स्टिल आई हैड डिसाइडेड आई वांट टू डू इट एंड आई डिड इट. So
Beautiful.
I'm very happy for that.
Yes.
Nice. Very good.
Yes, Shaji, how do you feel? Bapre, you have more stories to share. Tell us.
Yeah.
So I almost had given up on walking. I wanted to when we decided it was running 21 kilometers. But then the situation was such that even walking for 21 kilometers, I had given up on it. But then my doctor, he said, ki, go bindas, go and do it.
कर लो
bindas कर लो. And before that, I mean, I had not walked for a month or so. और ये 21 kilometers के पहले, I think I did 4 kilometers walk and 6 kilometers walk.
Yeah.
And then I again asked my doctor, करूँ क्या? He said, yeah, bindas करो. And then I, on the 31st of December, I went. And I had
Before the
decided
clock struck 12, you
12,
said my
yes.
21 should be in.
Yeah, and so I was like, अगर तकलीफ होगी तो वहीं से रिक्शा करके वापस आ जाएंगे. Whatever distance I've traveled. But to my surprise, मतलब बिल्कुल मतलब not even 1% कुछ दर्द हुआ या कुछ हुआ, and I could complete it at the same speed at which I used to do it
Actually.
earlier. So in 3.5 hours I
Three and
could
a half
complete
hours you
the
completed.
21 kilometers walk.
Yes.
Feeling very nice about it.
Yes.
So that also I want to tell one thing that generally what
Yes.
we do is कि थोड़ा सा कुछ दर्द होता है, कुछ दुखता है या कुछ ये हो जाता है, सर्दी होती है, जुकाम होता है, तो ये सेड है कि चलो यार ठीक हो जाते हैं फिर करते हैं करके. तो I was also in the same mindset कि यार SIT का खत्म होने दो, let me get out of it and then I will start the journey. But then you can do it. There is nothing like that. I mean, बहाने मत
Nothing is
बनाओ. Just
impossible.
nothing is impossible. It can be easily. Do something or the other. If you're not going full this thing, you do something or the other. You can do it.
Yes.
Yeah. So feeling very nice about it.
Yes. Awesome. Yes. खुद को तो definitely. Yes. And last and not the least, but my certificate also comes in.
So Poonam,
My
how do you feel?
Yes, this was actually again a walk where I was not sure. I had not practiced, but I was sure I want to walk. Matlab, I was not sure if I'll be able to complete or no. With certain health issues I am facing in the recent past. I'm like, यार चलना फिरना उठना बैठना सब बंद हो गया है, अब क्या करें, चल सकते हैं या नहीं. बट यस, इवन आई गेव इट अ पुश कि चलो. सो स्लोली स्टेडली वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम विथ माय पार्टनर पुशिंग मी कि चल यार चल चलते हैं. ओ मीस गेव मी कंपनी ऑन एवरी स्टेप. आई एम श्योर ही ऑल्सो लॉस्ट हिज स्पीड, बट वी गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ गुड टाइम चिट चैटिंग एंड निकल गया सफर, फटाफट हो गया.
Nice. Very nice.
Yes. So yes, with this, I think everybody of us can just go beyond our own challenges, and we ourselves are going to find our way out. Yeah. So no matter what your challenges are currently, you can find a solution. Yes. And just believe that you can work on it and just see how wonders will happen. Just don't give up on yourself. Okay. Don't say कि नहीं हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा. Don't doubt. Be sure that हो जाएगा and keep doing the good work. Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, with
Shravani
this,
here is thinking कि when will I walk and when will I get the certificate now?
yeah, actually, with this, I will want to quickly ask Shravani and Nikhil to do short intros. This is the first time you all are coming to this call, and yes, welcome to the community. This is how the inner circle calls happen of every Wednesday. We keep sharing different topics, and with this, we'll want to welcome you officially to the My FitSpheres family. Yes,
Yes.
Shravani,
Welcome.
ladies go first. Introduce yourself quickly.
Okay, so I wanted to join in September itself, but शायद इनका क्वेश्चन था कि फिर ईयर एंड पे होता है क्या रेजोल्यूशन दोबारा करके. असली में नहीं था, बट वैसा हो गया. But
Oh
still
yeah.
got into it, which I wanted to do for a while. And regarding myself, I am a clinical data scientist. I work in MNC, and I like to do paintings most of the times when I'm free. So yeah, this year I'm looking at a bit of consistency for my health. So that's why I've joined you. And it's
And you
great
are
to see
from?
all of you,
Welcome.
like
You are
really
from?
appreciating everything. Like even though I'm not doing at a particular point of time, now I saw Nivedita walking, so I went, walked, finished my thing for today. Even though I couldn't do workouts and all, at least I did a walk. So from you all guys, seeing all of you putting something out there every day, it keeps us motivated. So thank you all for that.
And where are you from,
Perfect.
Shravani?
I am from Andhra, Ongol.
Nice. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, welcome. Yes, Nikhil.
Mute
Unmute
का
करो
अडक जा
रे.
रे बाबा अगोदर.
Hey guys. So good evening. I'm Nikhil. I'm from Pune, and I was doing walking for last around 14 months under Poonam's guidance. Officially, I have joined MFS now.
Yes, so he's actually been a part of MMF part long back, 2 years back, and I think Nikhil has also got a transformation journey for himself with just doing walking. So Nikhil, you lost around what, 14 kgs in 1 year with just walking
12,
and no
12 to
control
14.
over food, right? Because he has a lot of outside calm and then he just eats whatever comes his hand. Yes, Nikhil, tell us quickly about it.
Yes, around 14 months daily, uh, 8 to 10,000 steps whenever possible. No time restriction, no particular, you can say, costume, shoes, nothing. Completing steps was the only target. Same with the food, but within 14 months, I guess I reduced around 12 to 14 kgs. Now again
क्या
4
बात है.
4 kgs, but it is within limits. So from I guess 89 kg, I came down to 77, 76, 77 kgs.
क्या बात है.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Nice.
Yes, so with this welcome, we are going to ensure that you get even stronger, get more into shape, or do all your health aspirations with the community here. Yes,
One
yes,
last
Shadi.
request to everyone who will receive the certificates now. So whenever you receive the certificate, keep that as your status. Sir. And second thing is, all those who are 5 years here and who have got the certificate, please share the certificate on our 5M club too. Okay, we just want to promote MFS everywhere and let people know what we do over here. Okay, thank you.
Yes. And don't forget the salad workshop on 17th. We'll be sharing the messages, links, and everything. Share it with your friends so everybody can benefit on learning to cook healthy, eat healthy. Yes. And with this,
On the
we
cameras.